Hi everyone, thanks very much for coming back to the channel. Appreciate taking time to watch these videos as always. Today is a special one because we're going to go and look at the mega build that's going on inside here. So let's go and have a look and see what it's all about. I think you'll be impressed, I know I am. So this is a 1969 yacht. So as you can see, it is massive. 65 foot. Go right round. Another little detail. See if you can spot anything. Now, when I first saw this boat several years ago, it was just literally a hole in the top of this and two masts. Now, as you can see, it's come a pretty big way. Beyond that, it's still about a year away from being completed. Now, something that is completely new on here is this bowsprit. As you can see, all the deck on top here is new. Custom made railings. This is a complete rebuild and it is completely custom. Now, if you haven't guessed, and see if this would give you a bit more of a clue if I go in there a bit more. This boat is actually concrete. So this is a 1969 ferrocrete yacht. And it was an absolute tip when the current owner took it over. The interior was there, but it was all quite wrecked. But over the last 18 months, and I will put some pictures on so you can see what it was like about 18 months ago, but it's slowly coming together. So again, as you can see, all of this deck structure all been built up to make it a nice, safe boat. It's going to have all the railings going round. All of this wheelhouse completely custom made, and the reason we're filming it today is because next week they're having all, I think, flexi-teak put down on here, and if you can see here, sunbathing area. Again, all custom. All of this up the front here, chain locker, sail locker, everything. It's all completely custom. All of this had to have independent moulds made before it could go on. See, it's got barbecue area being custom made for it. You've got the original wheel and helm station. That helm station is completely new, been fabricated. So very much work in progress at the moment, but let's go inside and have a look. So all of this is custom built. None of this has come out of a box whatsoever. So you have a TV that rises up here. Your glassware. I won't pull everything out because it's got loads of gear here. I think this is going to be the fuse panel. I suspect that will just, yeah. So all the systems will come through here and back into the here. Don't know if you can see it's come out very well, but all custom stainless headlining, windows, seating. All the seat pads are available. They've all been done in leather, grey leather. Now, when I first looked at this boat a few years ago, it had an old engine in here, brand new engine fitted. Let's move this down. Now if we come through here, this is what was new over the last few weeks. So now you can see the concrete. So they put these bulkheads in using the original structure of the boat, and then what they've done, they've put a bonding compound in between the actual hull structure into the wood, and then they put these bolts through to give it the structure or the rigidity when it goes through the wood. But as you can see, it's starting to take shape in the bedrooms. All the lights are up. Still a lot of finishing to do. And I will see if I can get some pictures of what it was like before, because honestly you wouldn't believe the difference. This is like night and day difference. We've got behind here, it's a storage insulation, you can't quite see it there. So then I presume you're going to have some additional cabins in here. I'll speak to the owner in a minute, see what's happening there. You can see under this protective covering you've got all teak under here, custom built stairs. Look at the joinery, it's absolutely fantastic. And to the back of the boat there's going to be, I believe there's going to be a couple of cabins here. One this side, one here, and here is what the interior should look like, and it was completely wrecked. So you've got another berth that was here. But it was in a dismal state. So there is about another year at least to go on this project, and if you like what you're seeing, you want to see more of this, smash that like button, subscribe button, and I'm sure the owner will let us come back and take some more footage of as it's coming on. Nice helm station. You're going to have all your plotters on here at some point. But look at that for a view. And you may be asking or thinking where the mast's going to go. So I think probably where that bit of wood there is, I think you're going to have a mast there, and then you'll have a mast at the back of the boat. And then I believe the helm station is going to be somewhere around here as well. Yeah, so I think this is a mounting point for the rear mast, and then I think the helm station is going to be back here. So as you can see, this is absolutely massive. There's a team over here every single day working to keep this progressing. And so next week there's going to be all of this fitted with the Flexi-Teak. I think this is all going to be, I think the approximate cost is about £20,000, so we're talking telephone number figures of money Yeah, you can see all the pre-drilled holes ready for the rest of the railings to come through. But hopefully you can see just how much of a mega build this is, from what was just a pretty basic ferrocrete hull with a wrecked interior to having a complete custom wheelhouse, pretty much custom everything. I think it's fantastic. And the person that's building this is actually the person that did the repairs for my boat when I had to do an insurance job when it got damaged in some wind 2 years ago. So it's a phenomenal boat builder. Yeah, if you want to see more of this, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll come back and do some more updates and show you how it's getting on. But I hope you appreciate this video. It's taken a few weeks to get this set up, but if you want to see more, yeah, you know what to do. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.